Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. It's Louis Vuitton Day, guys. You know what that means. I will be sharing to you all the upcoming bags from Louis Vuitton. Of course, you know our drill. I'll be sharing all the information for you from prices, name, product codes, SKU launch date, and product features. Just kindly ready your phones and laptop to take a screenshot for your reference. And for orders, availabilities, kindly check the website and your CAs. Happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Looking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 5,000 subbies this year. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramira52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright guys, for today's episode, we are going to discuss the Cruise Spring Summer 2025. This is already launched November 8, but I would like to share everything to you. So first, we have the Speedy Trunk 20. Price of this one is 2,700 euro or 3,350 USD. Size is 16 centimeters by 11 centimeters by 20.5 centimeters. Material is in the reverse monogram canvas. Next on the collection, guys, how beautiful is this one? We have the Slim Trunk in monogram. Price of this one is 2,700 euro or 3,350 USD. The size of this one is 12 centimeters by 4 centimeters by 23 centimeters. That's length, width, and height. Materials reverse monogram canvas with black cowhide leather trims with detachable strap and chain strap as well. Guys, look at this one. So B Alma monogram. I'm not really sure what the BE stands for, but price of this one is 2,000 euro or 2,470 USD. So the size of this one is 15 centimeters by 7 centimeters by 21 centimeters. So this kind of resembles the double zip pochette, don't you? What do you think, guys? Please do comment down below. Next, it would come in the Epi leather material, so B Alma Epi. Price of this one is 2,200 euro or 2,070 USD. Same size, 15 centimeters by 7 by 21 centimeters. Material is metallic Epi leather, detachable top handle, and leather crossbody strap. What do you think of this one, guys? Next, we have the Noe Trunk PM. So we have more photos from you from our last vlog. So price of this one is 3,300 euro or 4,100 USD. Size is 23 cm by 9 by 23 cm. Material is the Noir Cousin lambskin leather, detachable chain, and leather crossbody strap. It would come in the reverse monogram version. So Noe Trunk size PM. Price is 2,800 euro or 3,450 USD. Same size, 23 by 9 by 23 centimeters. Material is the reverse monogram canvas with black cowhide leather trims, detachable chain, and leather crossbody strap. Next on the collection, so let us discuss all the Go 1-4. So first, we have the size PM. Price of this one is 5,500 euro or 6,050 USD. Size is 14 by 9 by 20 centimeters. Material is leather, color is terracotta, detachable top handle, and chain crossbody strap. Next, guys, this is new. So this is the Go 1-4 wallet on chain. So price is 2,900 euro or 3,400 USD. We have SKU here. The size of the walk is 14 by 6 by 23 centimeters. Material is the quilted leather. Color is noir. It would come with detachable chain crossbody strap, as we could see here. Next, we have the Go 1-4. This one, the size is MM. Price is 5,200 euro or 7,200 USD. So the size of the MM, so that is 16 by 10 by 26 centimeters. So this is the same size as the Chanel Classic flap. Material is the Malle touch leather. Color is argyle. Next, we have the Go 1-4 size PM in tweed. Price of this one is 4,800 euro or 6,150 USD. Size is 14 cm by 9 by 20 centimeters in length. Material is sweet, as we could see here. It would come with detachable chain, crossbody strap, and detachable top handle as well. Next, new design bag. So we have the Bloom PM. So we have more photos for you. Price is 4,800 euro or 6,150 USD. Size is 16 by 21 by 21 centimeters. So this is the top view. It comes with detachable top handle. So the material is leather in noir. It comes with monogram canvas print, detachable top handle, and crossbody strap. Next, new totes. So we have the Nova tote. First, we have the size MM. Price of this one is 3,200 euro or 3,950 USD. So the size of the MM is 36 by 10 by 37 centimeters. So that is big. Leather in noir, but it has monogram canvas trim and it has adjustable chain strap, as we could see on the photo. It would come on the size PM if you want something a little bit smaller. So price of this one is 2,900 euro or 3,550 USD. The size is, as you can see, 20 by 9 by 31 centimeters in length. So 31 centimeters is still quite spacious. Same material in leather with monogram canvas trim with adjustable chain strap. Next, guys, how beautiful is this mini Capucines? Price is 7,200 euro. Size is 14 by 8 centimeters with 21 centimeters in length. Leather or material is leather, color is noir, and I love, guys, the sculptural gold tone handle, even the LV logo as well. Next, we have another Capucines. This one, the size is BB. Still from the same collection. So the price of this one is 9,400 euros. So this is the close-up. We are going to see the embellishment. Material is leather or lambskin leather plus karoom or snake skin. Color is blue navy. So what do you think of this one, guys? Next, we have the Petite Malle. Price of this one is 7,500 euro. We have SKU here. Size is 12.5 by 6 by 20 centimeters. Monogram canvas is the material with cowhide leather trims. As you could see here, it has the rising smoke or the Art Nouveau details. On the hardware, it comes with detachable top handle as well. Next, guys, so let us discuss the animal theme collection of the CRUSIE 2025. First, we have the Slim Trunk. Price is 5,200 euro or 7,650 USD. Size 12.5 by 6 by 20 centimeters. Material, guys, of this would be calfskin leather embellished with Swarovski crystals in animal print. Then we have the animals tuali or cans bag. I'm sorry, I cannot pronounce that. Price is 2,750 euro. The size of the cans bag is 17 by 15 by 15 centimeters. Materials monogram canvas with printed animal skin. Comes with detachable monogram canvas strap and top handle as well. Next, we have Rosalie coin purse. So we have an SLG. So that would be 530 euro. Materials monogram canvas with printed animal skin. So this is the interior. It has one zippered compartment. Then it has inserts on the inside as well with black leather trims. So it's the same launch date, guys, for this collection, November 8, 2024. Last but not the least, we have the Lou wallet. Price is 740 euro. So material is monogram canvas with printed animal skin. LV animal theme collection for the CRUSIE Spring Summer 2025. Guys, you may now check the website and please check with your CAs for orders and availabilities. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? If you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a smiley emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam by clicking this cute little icon here so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramirafy2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!